And I don't want no one to cry, but tell him if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. Free like a river raging strong is the wind I'm facing, chasing dreams and racing for the time. Deep like the grandest canyon, wild like an untamed stallion. If you can't see my heart, you must be blind. You can knock me down and watch me bleed, but you can't keep no chains on me. I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. I'm not good at long goodbyes, but I look down deep into my eyes. I was born free.
Hello, I am Steve Jarvis. I'm Chris Atkins. Hello, I'm Fred McCool.
My name is Larry Potts.
Hi, I'm Richard Hudson.
Come facing danger, lost like an unknown stranger, grateful for my time with no regrets. Close to my destination, tired, frail and aching, waiting patiently